Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Monster Legends codes to get new cool rewards. Super simple. First, open Monster Legends and make sure you're logged in. You need an internet connection for this. Next, tap your profile picture in the top left corner and go to Settings, and then select the code option. This is where you enter your codes. Type in the code carefully, no extra spaces or letters, then press Redeem. Your rewards like gems, food, or new monsters will show up right away. And that's it. Super easy, right? Make sure to like and subscribe for more Monster Legends tips. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.